Hello YouTubers. Now I want to share to you how to make Laravel version 4 to using a namespace in the controller. Okay, this is my Laravel fresh installation. Not so fresh because I have changed a layout in here using a Bootstrap. Okay, the first step to make a Laravel using a namespace in the controller, we need to specify, we need to write the composer, you need to change the file composer JSON and write the PSR specification. Okay, this is step 1. So open your file composer.json and then go to autoload, and below that we write PSR 0 with the open bracket and then app like this. The app in here is for the first namespace, and then the app in here is for declaration of the directory that will be the app namespace. The PSR null, the PSR 0 is PHP standard request for the autoload. Okay, after we declare in the autoload, the second step is we go to the file base controller. So the file is in app controller and the base controller. Okay, and then after that we need to write the syntax. This is the namespace. So this is the namespace app controller, like you see in here, what that I say that this app will be the first namespace. So after that there will be a controller because we are in the folder, directory controllers. After that we need to write down the use syntax illuminate routing controller for the controller in here, because whenever we using a namespace we need to specify use syntax for the class that we use. So after that we need to write down use view because we are using a view. The same thing we will do is for the home controller. So I will just copy and paste the syntax that I have written down. This is the syntax namespace app controller, and then we use the base controller. So we need to specify, we need to write down the syntax use app controllers base controllers. And then of course, because we are using a view, we need to write down the view syntax, use view syntax. Okay, so that's the first step and second step and the third step. The first step is we need to change the route. By default, Laravel version 4 will use the route get like this, and then URL slash for the root URL. After that, calling the controller and then its method. But whenever you are using namespace in your Laravel version 4, you need to specify, and you need to change the way you write the root. This is it. In here, in the default Laravel, we just need to call the controller by its name. But whenever you are using namespace, you need to write down the namespace too, like this: app controllers home controller. Okay, and then the last step is we need to run composer dump autoload. Basically, composer dump autoload will traverse through the composer JSON file, and then we'll find this PSR auto load, PSR 0, and then the composer will traverse to all directory in here and will find a class with a namespace and will make an auto load for that. So let's run the composer dump auto load. Okay, here is it. It has been finished, and now let's try to run it. I'm running with the PHP Artisan Serve. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, it's normal, but let's see if I go to the routes and change the routes. Okay, sorry, change the route with the basic routes. What will happen? Okay, you see this the Ralaver give an error. Class Ralaver, class home controller does not exist. It's happened because we have changed the Laravel version for the default using the namespace. So whenever you specify namespace, remember you have to change the way you call the controller in the root. Okay, let's make it normal again. Okay, if you have some question or some critic, please just comment. Thank you.